Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the short spike stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the single crochet spike stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. You're now going to make a single crochet spike into the space 2 rows down over the next stitch. A single crochet spike is just a long single crochet, so it's going to be this space right here. Right now we're working into these chain spaces, but going forward it will be stitches after this row. So you're going to make a single crochet into this space that's 2 rows down. And it's going to look like this. Now you're going to start alternating between these two. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet. And then into the next stitch, but 2 rows down, you're going to make a single crochet spike stitch. Make a single crochet into the next stitch. Over the next stitch, into this space 2 rows down, you're going to make a spiked single crochet stitch. You're now going to alternate between making a regular single crochet stitch in the next stitch and then a single crochet spike stitch into the stitch or space 2 rows down. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. For row 3, we're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the short spike stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You could follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.